Hello friends, welcome to our Spark session. In our today's session, we are going to see a scenario in which we have a array in a column, like as shown here. We have input file and the education column in which we have a array of elements, and the output that we are expecting is we have to export all the uh, array of elements in from the education column, and it should be as shown here. Uh, as each records. Here we need to take care of null values as well. If there is any null values in education column, that also has to be populated. Along with that, we also have a index column which should say like this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element. This is our requirement. Let us see how we are solving this. Let's quickly move on to a demo. As usual, I have opened a Jupyter session and initiated a Spark session as well. Let me read the input data frame. Here we have option as pipe delimiter. So I'm giving it as a pipe delimited file in options, and I'm reading the CSV file in which file name is input 4.csv, and I am giving header as true. Let me execute and show the input data frame. So here we can see we have a three rows, three records, in which we have a education column with array of elements, and also we have a null value which we need to handle. So let us see how we can handle it. In our Spark API, we have an option to explode the column value. Let us check that. I will add with column. And let me give it as we can't simply explode it. For exploding a value, it should be a map, or it should be of array type, or else it should be of struct type, but it is of string type. So in order to convert it as a type of array, we have to use the split function. So I am using a split function here, like inside split I am giving the column name as education, and on comma. So in this way, okay, we haven't defined the function, so let us import the library. We need explode and split. We need both the operations. So I'm explode. So let me give show command on this. Here we can observe that our records got exploded into single record. So here we can see we have three rows, I mean three values, which has been exploded into three records. But here the thing is like we are missing a null value, hurry, that which is being missed. So for including that, we have an option of explode underscore outer. So we have to use that function. So now we can observe that our null value is also getting populated. Even if there is a null in a column that we are exploding, it is getting populated. So by this way we will be able to explode. If we don't need a positional index, then it is a better option to go with explode outer itself. I will also teach on how to add a positional index as well, since our problem statement includes adding a positional index. we have another function named post explode underscore outer, but this function we will not be able to use it with column, since with column position explode underscore outer is not supported for now in 2.4 version. It might be resolved in Spark 3.0. I haven't checked it. Let me check and I will update you in the next upcoming videos. Now to use this post exploded, what we have to do is we have to use the select statement. So what I'm doing is I'm using select, and I'm giving star for including all the columns that is in df, and we are going to use post explode underscore outer, and the same here we are going to use the split operation. So by this way we will be able to, okay, I haven't run it. By this way we will be able to achieve the position as well as the explode column. For renaming a column, we can use with column renamed. There is an option with column renamed, in which we have to give new name, I mean the old name, and to which name we have to change. And again I am using with column renamed for the other column. Here I will give post and index. So now we can see the column has been renamed. Since we don't need an education column, I will drop it for now. For dropping the column, we have an option in PySpark, like we can just give a drop. You can just give a drop, and inside that just specify the column name. Here in our case it is education, so I have given it. Now let me execute it. So by this way we have achieved the output that we required. Here we have exploded the array of elements in a column into a single record, each in a single record, and we have added an index of 1 2 3. Also we have taken care of null that is available in a record. For this we have used a function post explode underscore outer. So this is for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up signal if you really like my content. Thanks for watching.